For all of my DIY blondies out there that need to tone their hair, I can't wait to show you this product. Going back to an oldie but a goodie of mine that I used to absolutely love. This is the Schwarzkopf Silver Toner. It's from the Live Color range and it is for neutral brassiness. It's got no ammonia, it's a semi-permanent, it's for blonde and grey hair, and it lasts up to 12 washes. Now, when I was a brighter blonde, I loved this product, and I have not used this for probably 5+ years because I've been darker shades, not blonde at all, or just a warm blonde. Now, I haven't toned my hair at all recently. This is just it being warm and me not doing the upkeep. Now, a tip for you if you wanted to get like more result from this, I have not done any purple shampoo or anything on my hair recently, but you can. I would suggest doing that because the more you can take the warmth out of your hair with something like purple shampoo, the more impact this will have on your hair. I'm just personally not looking to, my hair is obviously not going to achieve this because I haven't got that level of blonde. I'm just looking to go beige. So if you're looking to get more result from this product and your hair is, I would say, a shade lighter than mine, because if it's this shade, purple shampoo is not going to help you, but use purple shampoo first. Take a bit of that warmth out of your hair and then put this one on top because it just gives it a head start. I found this used to help a lot when I had lighter blonde hair, and this was just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair and then we will apply this and then leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, so you have to excuse the fan. Don't worry, I'm not going to let you excuse the fan. It was annoying me while editing this, so I'm just going to cut it so that I can do a voiceover. As you can see here, I have washed my hair. I have only shampooed it. I have not done a conditioner, and I am sectioning off my hair. I also put on a top that I didn't mind getting product on. You can see here I am not using gloves. I am just taking the product and I'm working it through my hair. I am focusing on the lower half of my hair first because it's actually not as light down there, so I thought if I started there, it has a bit more processing time. Then taking the top section of my hair and just basically massaging this product all the way through so that it's nice and even. I'm combing it as well just to ensure that, and as you can see, I've got really bad hair loss. I've got some videos coming on that. It's very frustrating, but just making sure that the product's all nice and worked through. Okay, and now I'm about to show you that yes, it did stain my hands a little, but washing it off, it did come off mostly. And then I saw gloves at the bottom of the box, so PSA, use the gloves if you want to. I am then washing that product out, and because it felt a little bit tacky, I did take a deep conditioner just to put this through my hair, just to add the shine, give it a bit more moisture back. It wasn't bad, I just needed to do something about it. And then look at this result. It even shocked me. I was genuinely like, holy moly, I knew I loved this product, but I did not know it would do this result on that level of blonde. Yeah, I'm genuinely shocked. Like, look how beautifully toned my hair is. And it's the exact color I wanted. It's like a light beige color. I'm just like, what the heck? I want to be completely transparent. My hair wasn't dry after using this product at all, but it just felt a little bit like tacky, a little bit off, like I've just shampooed my hair and not conditioned it, that kind of feeling. So I did put a deep conditioner in afterwards, so that's why my hair looks all pretty and shiny, and it's dry as anything, but for dry blonde hair, my hair feels nice. But yeah, it's like a beautiful shade, so well toned. It struggled a little bit more up the top, but it's still a lot more toned than it was. It's a very cohesive kind of tone as well. I'm just absolutely gobsmacked at this. The color is beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. It's kind of like I knew where my hair was before I toned it, and I knew what that toner used to do for me in the past. So I was like, in my head, that should cancel each other out and give me a beige. And it's done it. I'm amazed, and that never happens. I'm so happy because this color suits me so much. Like, I like the more neutral shades of blonde. I'm obsessed. What the heck? I never thought this would give me this kind of result. Love. I'm definitely going to keep buying that. That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Stoked. Happy. Really good. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Do leave me down below any suggestions that you might have for any toners that kind of give this kind of look or work really well on that level 7 to 8 blonde hair, like that medium blonde kind of blonde. Let me know if you've got something that you absolutely love, because I do want to try find like my favorite and the best, and I want to just know what the best thing is to recommend to everybody, and keen to test it all. So yes, anyway, any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.